Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So students, today in this session we will discuss our exercise 4.1, 4.2, 4.3 of chapter number 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas. Okay, so let's start from the first question. So as you can see in the screen, we have to, in question number 1, we have to identify 5 points, a line, 4 rays and 5 line segments. Okay, so let's start from the first question. So 5 points. So as you can see in the diagram, there is 5 points, point D, E, O, C and B. Okay, so answer is D, E, O, B, C. Next is a line. Okay, so how we can draw a line like that? Okay, so in this figure we have one line and it is BD or DB. Okay, you can write BD also and DB also. Okay, now see 4 rays. We have to identify 4 rays. So how we can draw a ray like that? So just check how many rays are here. OB, OC, OD, okay, and OE, and you can write ED also, ED. Okay, as you can see here, ED is also a ray. Okay, so answer is ED also. Okay, now question number D, 5 line segments. So 5 line segments, how we can draw a line segment? A line segment is a part of a line which has 2 endpoints. Okay, जिसके 2 endpoints होते हैं वो line segment होती है. So how many line segments are here? There are lots of line segments where we have to write only 5 line segments. Okay, so we can write OC also, OB also, OE also, ED also, and BE, BD, ED, OD. Okay, so there are lots of line segments. Choose any 5 and write it. Okay, now let's come to the question number 2. In question number 2, the question is name the line given in all possible ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. Okay, आपको 4 points दिए हैं and you have to write all possible ways. Okay, so answer is AB is a line. Okay, BC is a line, CD is a line. Okay, BA is a line, BC is a line and DC is a line. AD, DA, AC and CA, BD and DB. Okay, so you can write it in both the ways. आप इसको दोनों तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. So you have to write all possible ways and there are 12 ways to write these 4 points. Okay, now come to the point, question number 3. Use the figure to name A, line containing point E, line passing through A, line on which O lies, 2 pairs of intersecting lines. Okay, so line containing point E. Where is point E? E is here. Okay, it's your point E. So which line is containing point E? That is AE. Okay, that is AE. A is a line which is containing point E. You can write FE also. It is also a line. Okay, both the answer are correct. Line passing through A. एक line जो क्या है A से होती हुई जा रही है. So there is only one line which is passing through A and answer is AE. Next, line on which O lies. Okay, where is O? okay, and O is lying on the line OC only. ये OC में ही है आपका O. Okay, so answer is OC. Fourth is two pairs of intersecting lines. Two pairs of intersecting lines. So what is the meaning of intersecting line? When a line cut each other in this common point, it is a intersecting line. Okay, अगर दो लाइन एक दूसरे को common point पे intersect करती हैं, so that is intersecting lines. So two pairs of intersecting lines are AE and CO and AE and FE. Okay, so these are two pairs of intersecting lines, OC and AE, AE and EF, or you can write FE also. Both the ways are correct. Okay, now next is how many lines can pass through one given point. एक you have one point, आपके पास एक point है, suppose that you have a point O. Okay, अब इस O point से आप कितनी lines पास कर सकते हो? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are infinite number of lines which can passes through a single point. Okay, so answer is infinite number of lines. Next is two given points. You have 2 points. Okay, so how many lines can passes through two given points? Only one. दो पॉइंट से सिर्फ एक ही लाइन पास हो सकती है. Clear? Okay. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. Point P lies on AB. So as you can see, AB is a line. Okay, so first draw a line AB. It's a line segment. So draw a line AB and mention a point P on it. Okay, you can mention it anywhere. आप इसको लाइन के ऊपर कहीं पे भी बना सकते हैं. Okay, so as you can see in the answer number A, there is line AB and point P is here. Okay, next question is XY and PQ intersecting at M. So XY is a, yes, XY is a line, not a line segment, because it is representing like a line. Okay, it is extended in both direction. So XY and PQ is a line and they are intersected at point M. So draw a line XY and PQ and it is intersecting in point M. So as you can see in the figure, XY, PQ, and they are intersecting here, name M. Okay, they are intersecting in the point, at the point M. Okay, so now come to the next point. Question number C. Line L contain E and F but not D. So first draw a line L. Okay, mark 2 points E or F but not D. It means D is somewhere else. कहीं पे भी आप उसको बना सकते हैं. Okay, so answer is here. Just check it. Part D, OP and OQ. OP and OQ are line segment, sorry, line, meet at O. Now in question number D, you have to draw two lines OP and OQ. So these two lines have one common point and that is O. Okay, so let's check the answer. Answer is here, this one. Okay, OP and OQ and common point is O. Got it? Okay. Now come to the sixth question. So just check question number 6. Consider the following figure of line MN. Say whether the following statement are true or false in context of the given figure. Okay, so there is a line. Okay, this one is a line and it is extended in both the direction. यहाँ से भी आगे extend कर रही है और यहाँ से भी आगे को extend कर रही है. Okay, so now just check statement number 1. Q, M, O and P are points on the line MN. Okay, remember that it's a line, it's not a line segment. Okay, so if the question is for line segment, so this statement is not true. अगर ये question line segment के लिए होता तो ये statement true नहीं होता, because this line segment is containing only 3 points M, O, N. Okay, but they are talking about the line. ये line के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं और line जो है वो दोनों तरफ से extend होती है और इसका कोई end point नहीं होता है. Okay, so all these points are containing by line MN. Okay, so this statement is true. Now B point is M, O, N are point on the line segment MN. Now they are talking about line segment MN. So M, O, N points are on line segment, yet it is true. Okay, this line segment are containing point M, O, N. Okay, now third point is M and N are end point of line segment MN. Yes, it is true. Okay, this line segment has 2 endpoints and that is M and N. So this statement is also true. O and N are endpoints of line segment OP. OP is the line segment, and O and N are the endpoints of the line segment. No, that is false. Why? Because the endpoints of this line segment is only O and P. Okay, so that is false. Question number E is M is one of the endpoints of line segment OQ. M is one of the endpoint of the line segment OQ, or we can say QO. So it's totally false. Okay, QO, that is the line segment, so endpoints are QO only. Okay, QO की अगर हम बात करें, so the endpoints are Q and O only, not M. Okay, so that is also false. Question F is M is point on ray OP. Okay, ray OP. So M is point on ray OP. Just check. OP ray is here. So M is point on ray OP. No, N is point on ray OP. So this is also false. Question G is ray OP is different from ray QP. Okay, ray OP is different from ray QP. Yes, it is smaller than ray QP. As you can see in the figure, OP is smaller than OQ. So it is different. That is true. Now question H. Ray OP is same as ray OM. Ray OP is same as ray OM. So that is false. Ray OP is greater than or longer than ray OM. Okay, so that is false. Okay. Now come to the point I. Ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. Ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. No, false. Both are in opposite direction. Okay, so it is false. Now the point J is O is not an initial point on OP. Okay, O is not an initial point OP. So it is false. O is an initial point on OP. O जो है आपका OP का point है. Now K is N is the initial point of NP and NM. N is the initial point of NP and NM. Yes, it is true. N, yes, it is true. N is the initial point of NP and NM. Okay. So it's your exercise 4.1. I hope you all are able to understand it. If still you have any problem, so just discuss it with me. Okay, thank you.